UNESCO World Heritage!
What's going on? Where are they? Where am I? Oh, that's you!
Honey, here you are. Are you alright?
Yeah,
You're safe.
yeah,
You're
everything's
safe.
good, yeah.
Where are we and what's going on? Let's go for a walk. Oh my god, this park is so beautiful.
Good work. Yeah, such a big park.
I haven't seen this before.
Look! I know him. This is the guy who broke into my apartment at Harvard.
Oh my god, it is incredible. It's him, it's Pückler.
No, that's not you. But if you are here, you can tell me why there are so many people.
Because, as you see, sir, it is the best known UNESCO heritage.
But what is it, UNESCO?
Is this something to eat? Yes?
No, I will show you. Let's go. UNESCO is an organization that protects the most important cultural heritage. Moscow is an effect of Polish-German cooperation.
Do you remember the tree under which we kissed first time?
Yes, my dear husband. Let's go there.
Oh, I'm so excited!
Wait for me!
Hello, just tell me, what is the most important in your job? What are you doing in Moscow Park for 20 years?
Ja, ich sage dann immer ganz gerne alles und nichts. Also auf einer Seite
Well, as I like to say, everything and nothing. On one hand, I'm responsible for everything in the park, but on the other hand, the variety of tasks in the park is so specific that I can't be the expert for each detailed professional issue. So it's hard to bring it onto only one point.
ist gerade die deutsch-polnische Zusammenarbeit eine der wichtigsten meiner Tätigkeiten.
In general, I can say that the German-Polish collaboration and the coding tasks are playing an important role. And because of the two languages, it's really difficult to do transboundary coordination. And that's not even a part of my work contract. So far, I consider the diplomatic handling of the cooperation issues as the most important task in the long term.
Yeah, and what's your role here? You're a director, yes? But what are you doing in a normal day?
Ja, also wenn Sie sich umschauen, sehen
If you
Sie,
take a look around,
dass es,
then you will
so
see
ist,
that when you climb up the hierarchy ladder and become the director of something, that when you look outside of the window and see the park, you realize that you're somehow moving apart from it. I started off as a gardener, so I first worked in this occupation. And now I am sitting here in my office, in a tower, watch the gardens and the park, but don't really engage with gardening tasks anymore. In this respect, remember what I said earlier? Everything is landing on my desk now. Things regarding politics, but not only that. Specific plans are continuing to become an important topic. Furthermore, we are still working very scientific and try to grasp the story behind the Muskauer Park and Prince Pückler's story.
Pückler zusammenzutragen.
Dankeschön.